The MX19 is a compact sealed cable connector, ideally suited for use in automotive and transportation applications where space is at a premium. In this video, we will cover the steps to properly assemble and rework harness assemblies using the MX19 connector and terminal. Before inserting a crimped terminal into the connector housing, make sure there is no visible deformation, such as a bending or twisting. Please view the connector handling manual or the Crimp Tool Manual for more details on crimping specifications and the definition of a good crimp. The terminals and the cavities are keyed, so the crimped terminals can only be inserted in the correct orientation. Make sure to insert the crimped terminals in line with the connector cavity to ensure a smooth insertion and to not cause any damage to the connector or terminals. If there is a lot of resistance during the insertion process, check to make sure the terminal is in the correct orientation and that it is not deformed. When the crimp terminal is fully inserted, the latching feature will engage and provide audible and tactile feedback to the operator. To ensure the terminals are fully inserted, lightly pull on the wire. The MX19 connectors do not have a secondary latching mechanism, or TPA, so the assembly process is complete after fully inserting the crimp terminals. In order to extract a crimp terminal from the connector, JAE recommends to use an approved tool specifically designed for the MX19. Ensure that the tool is facing the correct direction and insert into the designated opening in the mating face of the connector. As the tool is inserted to the back of the opening, there will be an increase in resistance when the tip of the tool first makes contact with the plastic latch holding the terminal in the connector. Gently push the tool further into the connector until it bottoms out, at which point the plastic latch inside should be released. The crimped wire can now be pulled out from the back of the connector. If the wire does not move at all when attempting to pull it out, release the wire and restart the extraction process. The plastic latch in the connector may not have been fully released. Never apply an excessive pulling force on the wire to avoid damaging the plastic housing or the rubber seals in the connector. If reusing the crimped terminal or connector, visually inspect them to ensure there is no damage from the extraction process. If there is any damage, make sure to replace the part. No single cavity in the connector should have a crimped terminal inserted and extracted more than 3 times. Visit the JAE website for the full handling manual for detailed instruction on the MX19 harness assembly. If there are any questions, don't hesitate to contact a JAE representative using the link in the video description.